Let's analyze the AP pelvis. Let's first check the marker. The marker's on the right side, so we don't need to flip this film. If we did flip it, we would use the flip horizontal annotation. Let's choose the zoom image annotation and let's zoom in so that we can get a better view of the landmarks. Turn that zoom image off and let's turn on the pan image. Let's move it to the center of the screen, keeping the right marker visible. Turn off the pan image. To analyze this, we go to the main menu, left click it, and we go to chiropractic, left click it, go to ilium analysis. Once we click the ilium analysis, we will have to choose 16 points in order. If we mess up the order, we have to delete everything on the screen, but we have to finish the 16 points and let the lines propagate first. So let's click the ilium analysis, go to the top of the left ilia, the most superior aspect of the right ilia, the left sacral notch, the right sacral notch, the first sacral tubercle, the most lateral aspect of the left ilia, the most lateral aspect of the left sacrum, the most medial aspect of the left ilia, the most medial aspect of the right ilia, the most lateral aspect of the right sacral ala, the most lateral aspect of the right ilia, top of the left femoral head, top of the right femoral head, the middle of the symphysis pubis, the most inferior aspect of the ischium on the left and then on the right. End annotation. If you click one more time, you have to go through all 16 points before you can delete everything. Now let's go ahead and label these lines. Let's click the text. Here we have the superior iliac crest line. Here we have the sacral baseline. Here we have the lateral sacral line and the femoral headline. The sacral center line and the inferior ischial line. End annotation. Now let's move these so they are in better view and in a better location. We're also going to label the MD. MD is measured deficiency, and we want to make sure that we're choosing the millimeters number, not the angle number. Now let's analyze this. We recall that we have a PR, the spinous of L5 is closest to the right pedicle, so that means the body went to the left. So I'm going to place body left right here. So if the body of L5 went to the left, it is the left ilia that we analyze. The first thing we do is we come down to the measurement between the superior iliac crest line and the inferior ischial line, and we see which one is greater. Now we have 262.81, 262.87. So the larger is on the right, making this an AS and this a PI. Since the body of L5 is to the left, we're going to note an AS on the left. We then check to see where the symphysis pubis went regarding the sacral center line. And we're comparing it to the left side. So the symphysis pubis went on the inside of that sacral center line instead of the outside. So that is an IN. Since the numbers are close, we're going to round up to 1. So we place the listing in the ilia, and we have an AS1 IN 10. Now we have to analyze sacrum. The measurements have been made from the first sacral tubercle to the lateral sacral line. We have 69 on the left and 67 on the right. The larger is on the left, so that is a PL. The difference is 2, 67, 68, 69. So this is a PL-2. And annotation, let's make sure this is right in the center of that pelvis. I'm going to move the sacral baseline and make sure that this is in the ilia. Now we can change the colors here, so let's change the listing to a green. So that it stands out. And we can change the labeling of the lines as well. Let's change the lines to a blue. And make sure that we change all of them. And the lateral sacral one. So we have 6 lines labeled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the MD. We have an AS1, since this number is smaller, IN10. We're rounding these up because they are so close regarding their whole numbers. We don't round the others up.